Sino Corrugated South Exhibition is the premier event for the corrugated and packaging industry, bringing together innovators, manufacturers, and solution providers from across the globe. The exhibition serves as a dynamic platform to showcase cutting-edge machinery, advanced materials, and sustainable technologies, offering unparalleled opportunities for business development.
Welcome to ilikevents TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event.
Attendees can explore emerging trends, connect with industry leaders, and gain insights into the latest innovations shaping the future of packaging. Covering the entire value chain from upstream production and converting technologies to downstream design, logistics, and supply chain solutions. Sino Corrugated South is where ideas, expertise, and opportunities converge to drive growth, collaboration, and innovation in the global packaging industry. Sino Corrugated South Exhibition is an event, and I like events.
Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.